Have you ever had one of those moments where you just thought there's gotta be a better tool for this job? Usually it's the case that there is a better tool, and today I'm going to talk to you about a threaded stud driver. This little piece of aluminum is a miraculous tool. It saves your fingers a lot of heartache, a lot of frustration, and it's very simple to use, so let me show you how to do it. Okay, so the threaded stud driver comes with a basic diagram on what you need to know about how to use it. It's very straightforward. There is a 440 side and a 256 side. This is the thread pattern that it's designed for. Very easy to use. It's nicely knurled on the sides so that you can get a good grip on it. So to install a threaded rod or threaded stud, you simply screw the driver onto it until it stops. And that's it. From there, you simply screw it into the plastic push rod. Very straightforward. And then you can unscrew it from there. Now, you can also use this same tool to unscrew the stud from the plastic. Let me show you how. First, you're going to screw on a nut for the appropriate thread size, and then screw on the threaded stud driver all the way, and then you're going to snug up the nut to the threaded stud driver, and then you can extract the stud from the plastic rod. So if you have a second change of heart or a different idea or something doesn't work out, you don't have to use this to gall up the threads to extract it. You can change your mind and go back and redo something. To remove it, simply loosen everything in reverse order and you're good to go. And try again. That's really all there is to it. So there you have it, crisis averted. Make sure you pick one of these up at Dubro.com along with any other hardware that you need for this great hobby.